My first contact with the sea was super early. I remember when my father took me into the water between waves around 3-4 years old. The medal in Paris is an inner strength for me because it's a big motivation to continue with such a new strong emotion. The Canary Islands, I think, is the best spot to train, to meet the international people that we will compete with them. It's really important to compare ourselves together in this month because we don't have a lot of important race. Can really focus on training and also enjoy the island, and it's also warm weather and yes, it's always sunny, and we also find a lot of different conditions in the water. We prepare us to get ready to everything with every condition. Many sailors like me think the Canary Island is the best spot to train. Especially in the winter season. Yes, here the environment is really friendly. You escape the big cities, and for us it's really important also mentally. For windsurfing, the Canary Islands I think is Lanzarote and Tenerife. And I think if you can sail really good in the Canary Islands, you can sail really good everywhere in the world. If I have to say 3 words for the Canary Islands, will be wind, freedom, and energy.